For AR verbs, we add ando to the stem. So for example, we have estoy bailando. Bailando, since we know it ends in ando, came from an AR ending verb, bailar. So remembering our vocabulary from back in chapters 3 and 4, what this should translate to say is, I'm dancing. Remember, estoy is the verb to be, which in English is I am, or to be as well, estar. So estoy bailando translates literally into English, I am dancing. On to página 4. The next sample. No están cantando. This translates to, they are not singing. Remembering that cantar means to sing. Están is the ellos form. It can also be ustedes. That would be you all don't sing, or aren't singing, I should say. Remember, when the no comes before the conjugated verb, it's negating the sentence. So that's why they aren't singing. For ER and IR verbs, you add yendo to the stem. So it should, for example, you would use in the question, ¿Qué están comiendo ustedes? It should translate to say or to ask, what are you guys eating? Enrique está escribiendo las invitaciones. Comes from the verb escribir, because we know it's an IR verb or an ER verb, in this case an IR verb, from that yendo ending. This should translate to say, Enrique is writing the invitations. If the stem ends in a vowel, we do have a spelling change from yendo with an I to yendo with a Y. And these are verbs where when you hit the last two letters, the ER or IR, you will need to change the I to a Y, because the last letter before that ER and IR is a vowel. That's what that means if the stem ends in a vowel. So for example, we have the verb leer. If you look at the sample question, it asks, ¿Estás leyendo el periódico? So the verb leer, the stem is the LE, the first two letters, and the ending is the ER. So in the stem, it ends in an E, LE. So that's our indicator that we need to change the I to a Y when conjugating in the progressive tense. So the question asks, are you reading the newspaper?